Hey guys, so recently I got this package from Rod Armour. They've jumped aboard and supported me and my channel. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video. So I've already got it open here. So we'll see what we've got inside. First up we have a rod sleeve, a black and red rod sleeve. So basically this goes over your rod here, put it over your rod, and it stops your rod from getting like any scratches or your line from getting frayed, which is really cool. Yeah, we've got another one. This one is silver and black. Here we got a lure shield. So basically if you have like any lure really, but a hard body lure mainly, because they've got like 6 hooks, usually you put this around your lure, so it stops you from getting your hook stuck in your mum's car or your dad's car, which saves you from cutting a lot of holes out of their seats. So there's that, lure shield. Got another one of those. Here we got a wrap strap. So basically if you're storing your rods or you're carrying them, you've got like 2 or 3, you can wrap this around them and keep them together and stop them from getting tangled and everything. Here we got 2 clips. So basically you open this up here and clip this to the end, and then this goes around your reel handle and stops the case from sliding up the rod. Also we got a couple cards there and a sticker. So if you guys would like to purchase any of this stuff, I'll leave the link to Rod Armour's website down below in the description. And yeah, big thanks to Rod Armour.